India has struck back at Pakistan with a fitting response. In a bold military retaliation to the Pahalgam massacre, Operation Sindoor targeted terror camps in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir and deep within Pakistan's Punjab district too. The press briefing by the Government of India and the Ministry of Defence, however, was special, not just because of the action, but also because of the voices explaining it.
टेरर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का निर्माण हो रहा है। इसमें रिक्रूटमेंट, इंडोक्ट्रिनेशन सेंटर्स, ट्रेनिंग एरियाज व लॉन्च पैड शामिल थे। इस पाकिस्तान और पाक अधिकृत जम्मू कश्मीर POJK दोनों में फैले हैं।
For Operation Sindoor was based on credible intelligence inputs and role of these facilities in perpetrating the terror activities. The locations were so selected to avoid damage to civilian infrastructures and loss of any civilian lives.
This was not tokenism. These are operationally seasoned officers with real experience. Their visibility is long overdue. The name Operation Sindoor had a cultural significance to the retaliation, a tribute to the women who lost their husbands in the Pahalgam attack. Several Hindu men were shot dead in front of their wives and were made to witness this barbaric affair. Bringing in female officers in defense was a powerful choice by the Ministry of Defense to conduct a briefing that underscored India's reasons for choosing retaliatory strike locations. In the briefing, the decorated officers made it clear that India only targeted Pakistani terrorists, not civilians and not even the Pakistani army, just terrorists. Have a look at this.
सवाई नाला कैंप मुजफ्फराबाद, जो कि POJK के लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल से 30 किलोमीटर दूर है। यह लश्कर तौयबा का ट्रेनिंग सेंटर था। मरकज ताइबा मुरीद के यह IB से 18 से 25 किलोमीटर दूरी पर है। 2008 के मुंबई हमले के आतंकी यहीं से प्रशिक्षित हुए थे। अजमल कसब और डेविड हेडली भी यहाँ ट्रेन हुए थे। मरकज सुभान अल्लाह भावलपुर ये इंटरनेशनल बाउंड्री से 100 किलोमीटर दूर है। जैश ए मोहम्मद का मुख्यालय था। यहाँ पर रिक्रूटमेंट, ट्रेनिंग व इंडोक्ट्रिनेशन का केंद्र भी था। शीर्ष आतंकी अक्सर यहाँ आते थे।
The messaging from Delhi could not have been more stark. That India has the military capability and the political will to strike deep anywhere in Pakistan. And if Pakistan does see a need to retaliate, the onus of escalation will be on Islamabad in the view of New Delhi.
In the planning and execution of their operations, no military establishments were targeted. India has demonstrated considerable restraint in its response. However, it must be said that the Indian armed forces are fully prepared to respond to Pakistani misadventures, if any, that will escalate this situation. Jai Hind and thank you very much.
This is a developing story. For more updates, stay tuned to Strat News Global.